Looking for the best budget lawnmower that delivers power, reliability, and great value in 2025? You've come to the right place. Whether you have a small yard or a medium-sized lawn, finding a budget-friendly mower that actually performs can be a challenge. That's why we've tested and reviewed the top budget lawnmowers on Amazon to help you choose smart. Our #1 pick stands out with its impressive cutting width, versatile 3-in-1 features, and durable design, all under $300. Now, let's dive in and review our top 5 budget lawnmower picks to help you get a clean, effortless cut without overspending. At number 5, we have Greenworks, a powerful electric lawnmower under $300. If you want a budget mower that doesn't feel like a compromise, the Greenworks 20-inch 3-in-1 stands out as a rare find. For under $300, it offers a surprisingly robust 20-inch steel deck that lets you cover ground quickly, ideal if you're mowing anything larger than a typical suburban front yard. The wide cutting path means fewer passes, which saves you time and reduces physical strain, especially when dealing with uneven terrain or thick patches of grass. The 3-in-1 mulching, bagging, and side discharge features aren't just checkbox specs here. They actually work well and give you the flexibility to manage clippings in the way that best suits your lawn's needs. Mulching returns nutrients to your grass naturally, while bagging keeps your lawn tidy and reduces cleanup time. Side discharge is handy when the grass is wet or tall and clogging would otherwise slow you down. From an expert perspective, what impressed me was how the weight is well balanced. So despite the sturdy steel deck, the mower glides with less effort compared to other heavy-duty corded models. It's also remarkably quiet, an underrated factor if you live in a neighborhood with noise restrictions or prefer early morning mowing without waking the whole block. If your lawn is medium to large and you want a reliable electric alternative to gas mowers, this Greenworks model is a budget-friendly powerhouse that delivers consistent, clean cuts season after season. At number 4, we have Sunjoe Pro 14-inch 13-amp, a reliable corded mower around $180. For smaller yards or gardens with tight spaces, the Sunjoe MJ401E Pro hits a sweet spot between compact design and functional power. The 14-inch cutting deck is narrow enough to maneuver easily around flower beds, trees, and fences, yet the 13-amp motor packs enough punch to handle common grass types without bogging down. Many budget mowers sacrifice intuitive controls, but this Sunjoe model excels here. Its straightforward 3-position height adjustment is designed for users who want fast, no-fuss operation, great for beginners or busy homeowners. It's surprisingly nimble, which makes it easy to handle on slopes or uneven ground, and its lighter weight means less fatigue during longer mowing sessions. One subtle but important point is its cord management. The mower comes with a built-in cord retention system, reducing the chance of accidentally cutting power mid-mow, a common pain point with corded models. This means you can focus on the job rather than worry about tripping over cables. If your lawn is on the smaller side but you don't want to sacrifice reliability or build quality, the Sunjoe MJ410E Pro offers a balanced package that's affordable and surprisingly robust. At number 3, we have the BLACK+DECKER 12-inch 3-in-1, a compact and versatile electric mower under $150. For those juggling small urban yards or who dislike bulky equipment, this BLACK+DECKER 3-in-1 tool is a clever solution. At just 12 inches wide, it's designed for precision and versatility, letting you mow, trim, and edge with a single lightweight device. This mower stands out in the budget category for its multifunctionality. It's a genuine space saver if your storage options are limited or if you want to avoid investing in multiple lawn tools. The ease of switching between mowing and trimming modes means you can maintain a tidy lawn edge without pulling out a separate trimmer or edger. Despite the small size, the cutting performance is solid for typical residential grass, and the motor runs quietly, an important feature for early or late mowing without disturbing neighbors or family members. For small lawns, its compact size makes it easy to push into tight spots and store in limited spaces. In short, this mower is perfect for budget-conscious homeowners who want a dependable, no-frills machine that gets the job done without noise complaints or constant maintenance. At number 2, we have Earthwise 16-inch 3-blade, a corded mower for small lawns under $140. The Earthwise 16-inch mower is a standout for buyers who prioritize clean and efficient cuts without complicated features. Its 3-blade system offers a smoother, finer cut compared to many 2-blade budget models, which not only improves lawn appearance but promotes healthier grass by reducing tearing and damage. 5 height adjustment positions give this mower real flexibility. Whether you want a closely cropped lawn for summer or a longer cut for fall and winter, you can dial in the perfect height easily. This level of customization is rare in budget mowers and speaks to Earthwise's attention to thoughtful design. Its lightweight frame makes it effortless to push and maneuver, especially around garden beds or hard-to-reach areas. The mower starts instantly and runs quietly, so it's an ideal choice for small to medium yards where noise or storage constraints matter. From a maintenance perspective, fewer moving parts and a simple design mean less can go wrong over time. Another advantage if you want a mower that won't demand frequent repairs or complicated upkeep. At number 1, we have Greenworks 16-inch 10-amp, the most affordable corded lawnmower under $130. If your budget is tight but you refuse to settle for subpar performance, this Greenworks 16-inch mower offers surprising value. The 10-amp motor may sound modest, but it's finely tuned to deliver consistent power for regular lawn mowing tasks without struggling on thicker grass. The durable steel cutting deck is a pleasant surprise at this price point. Many budget mowers cut corners with plastic decks that wear out quickly, but this one feels solid and built to last several seasons. The 5-position height adjustment lever is straightforward and easy to operate, letting you adapt to seasonal grass growth or personal style preferences without hassle. In short, this mower is perfect for budget-conscious homeowners who want a dependable, no-frills machine that gets the job done without noise complaints or constant maintenance. Choosing the right vacuum cleaner in 2025 means looking beyond just suction power. It's about finding a machine that fits your home, lifestyle, and cleaning challenges. Whether you need cordless convenience, deep pet hair removal, advanced allergen filtration, or multi-surface versatility, one of these top 5 picks will deliver reliable, efficient cleaning day after day. Remember, investing in the right vacuum isn't just about cleaner floors, it's about breathing easier, saving time, and making your home a healthier place. So pick the one that matches your needs and get ready to experience a whole new level of cleanliness.